back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and you might be thinking, Leanna looks a little bit different today. And that is because I am sporting a middle split, which actually I'm kind of into, but I usually never do. The problem with a middle split on me is that I have a hair bump here, and it doesn't like to stay flat. And since my hair is so used to being like this all the time, it has been like this for the past like 10 years. When I flip it over, it tends to be a little like floofy. And the reason that I have it in a middle split is because I'm giving myself bangs today. Yes, I am having an emotional breakdown. No, I'm totally kidding. I think I'm fine. I think I'm just ready for a change. This can either go really well or really bad, but I'm hoping it will be the former because I have to go to school tomorrow. Okay, so when my sister cuts my hair, she kind of just goes straight all the way around, which is why these two little pieces from this side are a bit longer than the rest on this side, because the majority of my hair sits here, so it's kind of uneven. It's not all the way straight. So the first thing I'm gonna do, there, and that's it. That's the video. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, I'm actually so nervous. Okay, I remember one time in freshman year, I just knelt in front of my mirror and went like this. And it was the most awful haircut ever. And I don't know how I was so ballsy back then, but I am not ballsy anymore, unfortunately. I have stuff to do today, and here I am. These scissors are from the 99-cent store. I refuse to pay someone just to cut my bangs, and then they're probably gonna charge me like $80. So now that my hair is fairly even on both sides, I'm going to do the triangle thing. I've been thinking about it for quite some time now, actually. I've been thinking about it maybe for a couple months. I did get fake bangs, and I would wear those. However, my hair is kind of a light brown color at this point, and this is my natural color. This is dark brown. But I dyed the bangs jet black when I had jet black hair for a total of like a week. So I haven't been able to wear the bangs. So I'm thinking I should just cut my own bangs. And my sister was very adamant that I do not do this. But I think I want to, so I'm gonna do it. People always say that you have to be like emotionally unstable to want bangs. But I'm gonna try and see what happens, because at least then I'll know it's a bad idea after I do it. Because how am I supposed to know if it's a bad idea if I never try it? And how am I supposed to know that I'll hate having bangs if I never have bangs? Also, one of the things I was concerned about was looking quite juvenile with bangs, because, you know, as an Asian girl, I already look pretty young, I feel like, and I don't want people to not take me seriously or think I'm one of those helpless Chinese girls in one of those kung fu movies made for white people. Okay, I'm trying to decide if this is like a good amount of hair or if it's too much. I think I want to keep those side pieces just to like make a curtain effect. I want like a really nice wispy bang look. I don't know if it's gonna go well, but you gotta try, right? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I don't really have a backup plan for if this goes badly, but I'm just gonna, fingers crossed. Oh my goodness. Hello. You see how it's like kind of swooping a little this way because it's so accustomed to being on my right side? So now I do realize that I have to wake up every day and kind of tame my bangs before I leave the apartment, which is a little bit of an inconvenience, but I think that is something I'm willing to deal with for however long it takes to grow these out. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut them upwards, because apparently you're supposed to do that, and then it'll look a little less choppy. Okay, I think I have to cut this side as well. I can't tell if this is very, very bad or not because I can't see because my bangs are covering my eyes. Gonna keep on chopping. I hate paying people for things that I can just do myself at home for like $0. But, obviously, this is not professional, so. I think this length is pretty cute, but my eyes are just like, oh, hey, look at that, I have bangs. And also I feel like I have a really, really big forehead. So having bangs will help with that a little, I hope. I wish that I already had a middle split to begin with so that it isn't this big of a transition. I'm gonna keep cutting a little shorter just to be able to wear them in the front. I don't think the upwards cutting is really taking away too much length, so I'm gonna be a little more rough with it. Hopefully I don't regret my life. Y'all, I did that. I can't tell if it looks good. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is such an impulse decision. This is what happens like when I can't make up my mind about something. I just force myself to decide, and then that results in impulse decisions, which is not always the best thing. I think my hair still needs to do a bit of training to sit on the right side, but I think I can manage. With that, here are the little side bits. Oh man, nervous. I feel like it looks pretty good. I feel like in every rom-com ever, like when they make flashbacks of the main girl in the past, she always has bangs. So I am flashback rom-com girl now. It's stunning. I feel like I'm okay with this. It's not like poking me in the eye anymore. Not really. I think only some bits. I feel like I do look younger, but like in a good way. I know this video is gonna do well because y'all are hoes for hair transformation videos. So please subscribe and, you know, watch my other videos too. So it doesn't look stupid, which is good, in my opinion anyway. Let me know if you think it looks stupid. If you do think it's stupid, that is okay. I'll just cry in my corner alone. There's hairs all over my face. Is my life just going to be a huge inconvenience now? Like how am I going to secure these when I go to the gym? Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can like style it a little bit with the curling iron. Or the straightener. I'm gonna see if I can get some of this hair off my face. Oh, that just made it a lot worse. I'm gonna have to tame them like this every morning. Keep stabbing me in the eyeball. Ah! I'll just wear them like this when I don't feel like wearing them. Hide them into my normal hair. So yeah, after messing with it for about like 20 minutes, I think this is it. As you can see, there's this little like gap here where my hair just doesn't want to stay because I think it's just used to being on one side. So hopefully it gets a little more accustomed to being where it should be over the next couple days, and hopefully it'll look more normal and natural. I think it turned out pretty nicely. I mean, it wasn't a disaster, so that's good. Hopefully it is actually cute and I'm not just like insane. I honestly can't stop messing with them right now. They're a little bit close to my eyes. I might have to cut them a little shorter depending on how I feel. Oh god, I literally like look like my aunt. Let's try it with a ponytail. Not bad. Okay, hi, it is me the day after, and today, this morning, they were just crazy. They were like this when I woke up. But it only took less than 10 minutes of styling for them to look terrible like this. No, but it only took like 10 minutes for me to get them the way I wanted them to look, and I'm pretty used to them now, so I would say that it was a success. Even if I decide that I ultimately hate it, my hair will grow back, and that is fine. So, that is it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!